Hi guys, Ninjan. Guys, bengithi ngizoya live on TikTok ne, but because of I'm not in a fight, angeke ngikwenze lokho. Maybe I can do that after this video, and then nakhona it depends. It's gonna depend because of ngizolandela ngizobona ngama-comment wenu actually ukuthi kumele ngiye live or kanjani. Guys, I have a couple of years ngisebenza neMojalaf. I signed a contract each and every season I do now. I receive all my money that they're giving me on contract every season. I signed a contract now. Guys, I don't know this season kube ibhadi lami or ibhadi lethu. This thing sonke sayibona, but I didn't know ukuthi personally izoyenzeka kimi. Angikhulumi ngabanye and futhi angifuni ufaka umuntu. So khuluma straight ngami. Guys, during the season it happens ukuthi umama agule. It happens ukuthi usisi wami agule. So ngacabanga ngathi okay, sicedile ukushootha. They paying us kahle imali yethu. So I realized ukuthi everything seyingaphezulu kwamandla ami. How about ngifonele abaphathi bami ba release imali yami yonke so that ngikhona ukuhandle isituation esisekhaya. Okay, fine. It happens ukuthi ngibafonele. Okokuqala kwaqale kwagula umntwana kamalumama. Umntwana kamalumama makagula, I had to ukuthi like because of I was around them and bangicela ukuthi yazi mntakama because when uyasebenza umntwana uyambona ukuthi unjani cela ungisize. It happened ukuthi ngibasendele ama picture vele ngile eclinic ngiyobona umntwana bhalela ukuphefumula because ekhaya kithi sonke sisafara because of asthma, everyone ifamily. So umntwana bekaphefumula ngemobilize. I had to ukuthi ngitshele my PM ukuthi yazi nginenkinga esonde. So I even send them ama pictures. Ngithi how come, how about imali yami kuyakhonakala ukuthi njengoba sicedile ukushootha ni release because already maseyidlala surely ama episode wonke approviwe. Seniyazi ukuthi how much mele sithole, nathi we know how much mele sithole. So how about maybe ngiphi half, maybe a half futhi, then ngikhona ukusettle izinto zami ekhaya because imali yakancane yenzisana ikoloto. And especially manigulelwa, you have to pay transport, you have to go to keep a logo, you have to go to thenga izinto kancane izinto ezikanjani. They said to me akukhonakali. That's okay, fine. So kuzoyenzakalani ke? Athi no, angeke kukhonakala. That was uThulu khuluma naye. Okay, sharp. Sidlula isikhathi leso umntwana be right, ngisafara khona ngivale ngale imali engivala ngayo. And imagine into engizonitshela yona ningayazi mina ekhaya kithi I'm a breadwinner. Ekhaya kithi everyone ubheke mina. And I was enjoying that because of ngiyathi angifuni ukubona abantu basekhaya mina bahlupheka. So it happened ke ukuthi umama wami nosisi wami naye bagule at the same month, at the same week, and like ugula serious. After that I had ukuthi abona manje ngichange umuntu omunye angisafoneli lo, ngifonela right straight umuntu omele ngimfonele. I call uLive One because of I text uJulia my producer and mangimtexta like he was blue ticking me. Into yangizwisa ubuhlungu after ngiblue ticka, there is a time azofuna i-episode yami akhohlwe i-date. I was like, lo muntu lo ungifonela kanjani angibuza umsebenzi wakhe, but mina if ngimtexta ngifuna usizo uyangiblue tick. Mina ngiyababhora musilabantu laba, and then if ngichashiwe ecompany yabo nginenkinga mele ngiyiraise kubani because bayangiblue tick. Okay, fine. It happens with babona ukuthi manje say serious because each and everything engikhulumayo kuze bayibelieve I have to ukuthi ngisende i-proof. And mina manga ngiwakhuluma, that's the thing eyangizwisa ubuhlungu ke, nokuthi nakusasa if they decide ukuthi bangi-stretch out bangasangifake emashowini abo angeke ngizwe ubuhlungu because vele abangi-appreciate. There is a lot of sin ebangishuta zona mina ezihambelana ngqo nempilo yami ezingasi amanga. Ayikho into ebathi ngiyenze ngingayenzi noma into ebayidinga kimi ngingabaphi yona. Fine. After ngibaprovelile ukuthi mama mina nosisi wami bekho right, I asked them ukuthi ngicela ukuthi no matter imali le enizonginika yona nikhipheni emalini yami my outstanding balance esele. Okay, they agree with that. Bangisendele 40,000. The 40,000 ngibafonele ngibonge, mangiceda ngibasendele nama message ukuthi ngiyabonga, and then sengisharp manje. But imali engiyitholile 40,000. They said to me, yeah, imali yakho iphelele. I was like, no, ayiphelelanga. Imali yami ayiphelelanga. Imali le mina engiyisebenzele, le mina nani siswene ngayo, ayiphelelanga. They sent me a paper. Iphepha lakhona libhaliwe episode banibani, episode banibani. Angil understand because of angilazi ngiqala ukulibona. And if bangisendela lona ekuqaleni, I don't think bengizovuma mina ukubuyela eTV. Not after izinto engizenzile ezinye engazifuni ngempilo yami. But because of umsebenzi wami bengiwuthanda and ngiba appreciate nawo ngiu-appreciate ngingenendaba because of bengisebenza and bengiyithola imali. But manje if kuzoba so, no, angifuni ngami mina. Into engiyifuna kibo imali yami because I don't want to go deep. Ngiyazi ukuthi they have threats always against us mangabe kunento esingayithandi ukuthi yana bayi-company enkulu bona, they will do what and what. Ndalo wait, shh. I know ukuthi like kunento eziningi bazonixosha, niyamazi Aubrey yaxoshana in umuntu ngixosha kanjani umxoshela into obona nawe ukuthi le into engabe siyayilungisa and then i-company ikhule siqhubeke ngempilo. Guys, I remember ngihamba nomntwana ngiyoshuta i-DNA scene mina. Umntwana angakawisi inongwane asesemncane. You can go back to that scene. That time kwaqala ama-drama ukuthi akusana ama-SNT, we have to ukuthi sithenge ukudla where wara. I stay for a long time. Ngiphume endlini nge-content yaka 10 but ngiphume endlini ngo-8 o'clock ekuseni. Ngihamba nabantwana bami ngiyoshuta ama-DNA. That time I didn't eat. Cabangani ngadla ebusuku ngesini yokugcina yaka Kim no Dabula no Maseko. They went to a tavern or a pub, I don't remember, but you can go to that scene. Angizange ngabalabala ngathi bengilambile in bengisebenza because of we've got that thing ukuthi emsebenzini sisebenza kanzima. But after lento bangenza yona manje, le bangenza yona or bazitshela ukuthi sebangiyenzile, angifuni ngami. And it's not only me okhala so. It's just that some of them they are afraid to talk. basaba ukuzimela, basaba ukuzikhulumela. They forgot ukuthi banama-right. So I still demand that my outstanding balance. Nothing much I want. And for a sake yokuthi mina ngihambe manje ngiye ku social media, it's because of I talk to them. Bayang blue tick. Guess what now? Ulifung blockile. It seems like yena is in a fight. Le mina engayazi. I even moved la ekhaya ngiyohlala kibo mngani wami eMamelodi because of bebase basidemanda nemali transport, but i-contract ibhaliwe ukuthi i-transport kumele iphume inland inise la nishuthela khona. Angifuni nokungasho ukuthi they know ukuthi what's happening between Maseko's family. I don't want to talk that things guys la. Angifuni ukumoshela abantu or ngimoshela i-company or in, because angilwi. But I don't want to go deep. Ukuthi kuloku naloku benisicabangela na. If usazile ukuthi sisebenzela isent leli esilitholile manje. No, it's painful guys. And yes, there is something engifuna ukuyazi, maybe angi-understand or njani. I believe ukuthi i-contract mabaloko bayi-renewer the company, meaning you are doing better. I believe ukuthi i-contract the mall i-renewer nenza izinto ezi-right, imali must increase. So guys, ngizwa ubuhlungu guys. Please share this video. Maybe abanye benu angeke sibone ngilihleli one. Yabona yokuthi ngibhale i-email ngikhuluma i-story sami e-officeini or ngicontactane ne-HR yami or i-boss yami, akungisebenzeli. As soon as bangiblocker, it's clearly ukuthi bona yini ebaphezukwayo or bona abanaso isikhathi. Yabona abanye ngeke ngibakhulumele ngoba mangingabakhulumela maybe abanye basawudinga lo msebenzi. Mina I don't think ngiyawudinga because I don't think ngibalulekile kibo. If bengibalulekile bebangeke bangenze lento abangenza yona. And nalaba bengisebenza nabo this season, if they gonna calculate imali yabo babatshele ukuthi imali iphelele, no one is gonna react because of ama-threats esiwatholayo inside. Angisafuni ukukhuluma ngomntwana abantu uDabula ke yena he feels like he desperate too much because of uzoyapi angana ID. Uzoyapi because of mele enye nenye into ebayishoyo noma it must be abinge ukuthi each and every year kose bamsign so that azokhona ukuphila. uDabula una opportunities amaningi. The worst thing bazositshela ukuthi you can't go to the broadcasters, you can't do this, you can't do this because of you are our person. Le batho ba rena re batho ba lena bjang, le ropa siba bantu benu kanjani ningasithandeli amanye ama-opportunities. Bese when it comes to money kuba nezinto ezifana nalezi. I'm done. After I'm going to live on TikTok because of me.